Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again, and today we will be just kind of chilling, to be honest. As you can see, I am in my cozy home relaxing robe. It looks very grey and boring outside, so I decided to, you know, just kind of play with some of the makeup I have in my collection, as I do every weekend in front of a camera. Right, so today we will be, as I already said, playing with some makeup, specifically makeup that I haven't played with for a while. As promised in few of the videos I have done last year, I will be actually putting the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in original to the test as well, because this has been on my to-do list for a very long time, so I am super duper excited. So here it is. This is one of those things that when I was growing up and watching YouTube videos, it was mentioned so often. It was just one of those cult favorites, and I find that it's a lot more difficult these days for companies to bring out a product that will get to that cult status, just because there are so many good things, and you know, it's harder to rise to the top. So yeah, I am super excited. This is I wanted to try it out, however, to be honest, it's quite expensive, so I never could rectify spending so much on a primer. If I could spend a tenner basically, and it would last me for a year. Huh. I can't remember this. Call me crazy, but I can remember that the primer came on a like doe foot applicator. So yeah, that's strange. Now I freshly opened it, but it does smell a little bit like chemicals. So there's that. So we're just gonna put that right on, and yeah, we're gonna go into the video. To be honest, it's a very odd consistency. I know it looks kind of greasy, but okay. We will. Obviously, that doesn't mean it's good or bad. Doesn't mean anything other than the fact that it's a little greasy. I think it definitely. I want to say it almost looks like a silicone base. If you have the Maybelline Pore Eraser or the Benefit Pore Professional, then you might know what I'm talking about. It dries very quickly. By the looks of it, it does have like a minimum amount of color in there, but I can't notice it on my eyes. But to be fair, I am quite pale, and that color does appear to be quite pale as well. However, I will say that from the first swatch, it did kind of look like it might have separated a little bit or something, so I will try to mix this up somehow. Right, so today we're gonna be using a palette that I haven't used in a while. Oh, and now the sun wants to come out, does it? Cool. I will use the Rockstar palette from the Balm, or the Rockstar palette Balm Joey. It looks like this. If you want to see my thoughts on this, I have done a full review on this palette, so I will link it down below if I remember. And the other one that I will be using, just to give it a little bit more of a depth or a punch, is the Morphe 12NB palette. It looks like this. So we're playing with neutrals more or less on the eyes. I'm gonna be taking the color Adagio. Oh god. Oh no, this is a word from classical music. I will follow the same steps as I always do. I want to see how this eyeshadow base performs. Then I will be using the color Allegro, which is the second color down here. I might cut out again half of the face just because otherwise this video is gonna be too long. But as I usually say when I do this, I'm literally just copying the same steps I'm doing on this eye. The color Presto, which is this dark chocolate, I wanna say. We'll take the color Iron Maid in, which is this color here, and I will just quickly pop it into the inner corner. And now I will actually take the Morphe 12 NB palette and I will take this color here and I'm gonna put it in between these two colors that I have already applied, just to kind of connect it. Colourpop Supernova shadow in the color Walk of Fame. Now it looks like so, that's why we have gone into the warmer direction, and I'm just gonna shake it up as you should with any liquidish or this sort of a product, just to make sure that it's not settled or anything like that. I will put it into this inner part of the eye. The brush where we had that dark brown on, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press just over the edges of the shimmer, and then I will take the brush that had the lighter brown on, or is it orangey, and also press it in between the glitter and the darker brown. There we are. Not too bad, if I might say so myself, just saying. Okay, now quickly I'm gonna throw on eyeliner and mascara. Let's blend out that eyeshadow that I forgot to do earlier, and then we're gonna go to mascara. I'm using the Dermacal one, as mentioned previously many times. I don't think it's any good. No! Forgot Fallout again! What's going on? Yeah, Dermacal foundation, very good for filming and for shorter periods of time, or for spot concealing. However, I would not recommend this for everyday or all day wear. now we're gonna quickly set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. I realized that I have also not used the blush and highlighter that are in here for a long time. Now, over it, because more is more, I will put the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Ice Cold. I will just put a little bit on here, kind of in the middle. Now, something I also haven't done in a very long time is to actually exfoliate my lips before I put on a product. It's ridiculous because I bought this entire jar for exactly that reason, so I'm not having, you know, crusty lips while I'm filming a video. But I just got into a habit of forgetting, I guess. So today we'll be also using the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Watermelon Gum. And I'm super excited. It still smells delicious, and I will definitely eat whatever is on my lips. Almost done. The last or second to last thing we're gonna do is to put on a lipstick. This is a fake, so I will be getting rid of it probably. Just now looking down, I realized that I have not put on my contour because apparently I'm all over the place today, so there's that. I'll be using the Fit Me Maybelline in compact powder in 220 Natural Beige. And now we're going to the lippy. Oh my goodness. I don't think I can throw it away, to be honest. I think it just, even though it's a fake, it will just have to stay in my collection for a little while longer until I can use it up and then throw it away. Setting spray, if you want it to last, you can use any. I like that one, but Urban Decay, MAC, Morphe, pretty much everyone has a setting spray at this point. This is the finished look. I am very happy with how it turned out. I love... Oh, look at the lipstick. It looks so good. And obviously the eyes are a little bit more extra than anticipated, but I think it all came together. So yeah, as always, I will be inserting a picture of this look definitely now, because I am literally staring out of the window while I am telling you this. And yeah, guys, this has been it. I hope that you're doing well and that you had a lovely week and hopefully a lovely weekend. I hope that you are generally well, no matter when you're watching this, whether you're watching in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. And if you have any requests or any questions, please do let me know below. Subscribe, like, share, and yeah, I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!